From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. It's that time of year again. The days are getting longer and the tax deadlines are getting closer. So I'm here today with Mark Sipos, the Director of LFG Tax Services. So Mark, I think I speak for everyone. I say, we want it to be fast, smooth, and most importantly, over with. So how do we make this happen?
To make sure you have a painless filing season, you want to make sure that you're prepared and organized. So if you come to us with a shoebox full of receipts and documents, it's going to be a long road. But if you come with our simple checklist that we provide, we can ensure a timely and accurate filing.
So how do we get started?
Well, first it's the who. So everybody in your household, we're going to need full legal names, social security numbers, and dates of birth.
And I'm assuming you're going to need updated addresses if somebody moves.
Exactly, and we also like to confirm current phone numbers and email addresses so we can communicate with you. And also very important is we have a copy of your most current driver's license.
And what about the kids, or maybe even elder parents or someone that you're caring for?
Same rules. We need full names, social security numbers or tax ID numbers, and dates of birth. And also we really need to know the relationship that you have with that dependent, because that can trigger some really good tax credits for you.
Okay, so let's talk about money. We all know that we need a W-2, but what else do they need?
Any 1099s from financial institutions, K-1s from partnerships or S-corps, or retirement income and social security benefits.
And now what's the new thing with overtime for 2025?
That's a good catch, Jim. You may be able to deduct overtime, but right now the reporting isn't necessarily going to be on your W-2. So keep an eye out. You might need a separate document from your employer.
That's a huge tip. And I'm assuming we should bring receipts for all of the deductions that we want to take as well.
Absolutely. So medical expenses, any state and local income taxes you paid, real estate taxes, your mortgage statement, any charitable gifting would be very helpful for us to have in case we can write that off.
And what happens if you're switching to a new preparer this year?
We ask that you bring in 2 of your most recent tax returns. It's sort of like a medical history for your finances, and that way we can make sure that we're putting everything together. We also want any current notices from any of the taxing agents, confirmation on current year estimated taxes, and if you get a special ID PIN from the IRS, we're going to need that as well.
It sounds like it's manageable if you piece it all together, but what else is needed?
Well, besides looking backwards to 2025 to gather all your information, we like to look forward to 2026. So when you come in for our appointment, any kind of life-changing event that might be occurring in 2026, like a job change, a child starting college, maybe a pending retirement or triggering Social Security benefits, it's good to bring those up, discuss them, and evolve into a tax plan for the year.
The tax laws are always changing, so you want a team like Mark's in your corner who know exactly what to look for so you don't have to. Call us or visit lineweaver.net to schedule your no-cost, no-obligation meeting today.